Hypocrisy everywhere. Yahoo boy. When say why they drive Benz of 16 million. Police stop you. What do you do for a living? Say I'm a plumber. Where do you plumb? What do you plumb? Can we know your materials, please? Now why police they shoot them? Like, why? You mad? Why not go blame police? You know what those guys are going through? Do you know a police that have gotten to the level of DPO in pension gratuity in 10 million? After I don't serve for 35 years. The old boy now we fail WAEC. They drive Benz of 60 million. You know what that means? They drive 6 DPO. It's good to be here. Make I remove my glasses. I've learned a lot in this town. Asaba on the lodge. I don't know. The way they lodge for Asaba, they make all these people, they homeless. My guy will get hotel for worry. Come Asaba, not see hotel sleep. Last court hotel. Jesus. Not only Asaba, they use hotel, describe hotel. Yeah, you they are there, Lomas, behind Vienna now, beside Bonn. Asaba. One of my guys people shall court just now. You know what happened? Casino, I'm coming from Benin. Elomas or nothing. And I said, now one room remain. He said, no, I get like 3 Elomas or nothing. And I said, I get born, no. New boy. He said, no. Elomas or nothing. And I said, give me 30 minutes. As he called me, and I said, that room for Elomas, they don't take her. Born still there. See, born, because of you. Before I do, now say they don't take her. Now you say, what about the old born? Now say they don't take her. Say, Vienna is not a bad hotel. They are in DBS. Now say they don't take her. I shall laugh and answer the talk to. Thank you. My friends, you're saying something about women. Or hypocrisy that many parts of Nigeria. Your mama and second wife. They insult your husband's side chick. Every second wife was once a side chick. Stop insulting your mommy's friends. Man, you carry your side chick, go watch football match. You see the complaint, the referee, they cheat. Referee, when you support it, express the call. Hypocrisy everywhere. Yahoo boy. When say why they drive Benz of 16 million. Police stop you. What do you do for a living? Say I'm a plumber. Where do you plumb? What do you plumb? Can we know your materials, please? Now why police they shoot them? Like, why? You mad? Why not go blame police? You know what those guys are going through? Do you know a police that have gotten to the level of DPO in pension gratuity in 10 million? After I don't serve for 35 years. The old boy now we fail WAEC. They drive Benz of 60 million. You know what that means? They drive 6 DPO. Hypocrites everywhere. You carry a shower, you give a head. Then reach to knock, you go wear condom. What do you want to prevent? HIV when you don't drink 25 liters. Hypocrites everywhere. You are not laughing? You think we will do more than this? Correct. Oh, me to take. God bless you. She don't do that. He will show you pretend. Oh, my chairman. Wow. Asaba is like this. Yeah, now man feel do this kind of good for fellow man. I know they blame the Bobrisky again. Oh, some men too sweet. Oh. Eh? Is this pure love or you want to make love?
You do
I know they do. Oh. Hey, I beg go Bobrisky, I'm sorry. All those people too strong. Oh. Because when we they grow, they tell us say the truth and the truth shall set you free. The truth never black man talk, oh, they put her for jail. Nigeria, they always go like this. For abroad, if somebody tell you, say, actually, I've not done this before. Believe her. Nigeria, my tell you, say, I don't know how to say this. This is my first time. Now, that's it. They feed the family. Hypocrites everywhere. Now let this country bad. Go put hair style. We not feel bad. All those calus, if you see the puff daddy for baby salon for pana puff daddy. 800 naira salon puff daddy 2-pack. You go there, you say you want this style. Sharp Agoma say, I for feel bad this style, but you don't get the guy head. He gets now why your people. Scam everywhere in this country. You go restaurant, the right food is ready. You go there, say, okay, wait, rice never done. If you are shower, they promise you style, we don't give you. Pay me well, I will do you well, I'll make it come like a bowl. The moment you pay a shower, bang! I beg, they know they touch my breast. So. Pick load in the line. Hey, you wife tell. Pick load the friend that they like. I don't say your wife tell. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for pick loading. When your wife is able side chick, let me say the man they try. When I clap for her. Your wife is a baddie. You see, bring your wife home. Allergy, we see. Igbo men method. Now so there will be people that they do. Their wife can full camera and they do some shit off camera. They'll say Igbo men love their time. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for our daily CEO, First Empire. Our after party is actually the one I come for her. Not the first. I've done my research. As a man, nothing will they do with the favors. You know, when a woman is a virgin on her wedding day, it's a news. It's a news. The pastor, they happy. Proud of Sister Sandra. I raised her. Do you know, she's 29. She has never met a man. People, they happy. The mother go, they dance. Mother-in-law, they happy. You know how many men don't marry as virgin? Nobody care about us. Even if they ever come announce our virginity, they be like, curse. No, I'm not thinking now. Oh, Lily. So you can say, this is my friend. Oh, Lily. You know, for Lily food. You have never met any woman for 35 years. Church celebrating. Now your mother-in-law will say, oh, my daughter don't marry Mumu. You want crack joke. Do you know that in Nollywood, do we have Nollywood people here? Please celebrate them, that'll be wonderful. One Nollywood guy gave me his car for 2 weeks. Shaggy Bass, he come? He don't go do good for another, he can do good. As men they praise and as women they praise them. If they give me car, if they give them, My brother, if they watch Igbo movie, they'll say, the Igbo is sick. They need 7 female virgins to go to Unwanted forest. I never hear say they carry male virgin go. Our virginity is even useless to the gods. That's why, who they celebrate man? I give birth. I'm a man ambassador. When I give birth, I invite my mother-in-law, I invite my father-in-law. Enough of rubbish. As my mother-in-law, they bath my wife. They press my wife's belly. And father-in-law, they bath me, they press my blockage. Fuck you, bitch. Say my son don't, I hear you use. I said, I hear. Oh, I've had a trauma and a clap for me. I actually came here tonight to perform. And I hope you guys have been having fun thus far. If you have been having fun, please round of applause for all my comedians, please. COC Man Global, God bless you. He actually came from outside this state. People came to show me love, to enjoy us. Oh, Ayodele, CEO first. When you open second. But when you go now, you'll be first, second, third. Why is this guy not laughing? Listen. After Ayodele spray now, the same money is vanity also. You have to show yourself. Money where we go die live. You not go die live your no money. Poor people, Poor people, no they agree. Your guy buy, built house, 10 bedroom duplex. They can't tell you where they play draft. I know the poor people, they always stay together. They like unity. At the day, so now you will get money to the gossip. Oh, but leave who get money. After if you sleep well for night, now you don't thank God. Mr. Peace. Now, see poor man, they want to tell on the news. Alpha, Oshuko, you just say pig clothing, your build 10 bedroom duplex. See poor man. I beg you. Now one room you go see sleep. Poor man, he did not agree. Alpha. Say, I don't do this. This guy will get bucket. You know, say, one of the Gucci shirts. Now 10 million. See, poor man. As he said, they're not going to bury and naked if he die.
Don't suffocate.
Poor man. In fact, I don't like you are poor and deceiving people. Tell your children the truth. Which one be small picking chop egg you go thief? Fuck you, bitch, poor man. My papa. Oh, mate, so tech. If they find land, genuine land, now they be this. For Asaba, call me, give you land. They go say, papa, terrible motherfucker. Say, if you coconut water, you know no book. Just because of coconut water, when elders won't drink, una lie on top of coconut water. You not going no book. Now coconut water will not drink. Book we not know. Bitch. Poor man. And the part I hate about them, when you are not poor and educated, there's this pride. Get one guy from our area, he get pride. After I don't argue for newspaper standing, go food. Madam, can I see your menu for dinner? Or guy, you take great menu for dinner. The conscience said, okay, let's do it this way. Give me fufu. How can you mix too solid? Because it's fine. I love it. It increases the entropy level for digestion. Because which meat? Because meat without. The confidence because they talk without. Because they say without the past chicken. Poor man, clap for yourself. Wow, I feel you, bro. But see, those in regular, not envy anybody. Not be everybody way they table gets. Among 12, there must be Judas. Among that table of 10, I swear, 2 poor people there inside. They carry their common depression for not holding. No worry now. We'll see life will go better. But in life, some ladies can be very scandalous. You see, girl, now that date, relationship don't end. Now she going to tell you things like, I don't blame you because you have seen my nakedness. Now when you see my graphics design, now Photoshop. See, I'm not praying to you, I point off. I don't know the work your husband is doing. These are 1 or 2 faces shows like so like they do 10. I don't know what will happen to me later. Oh, Samson aside. Now this guy, now my primary school friend, primary school, secondary school, he can't go Uniport, I can't go Unipen. That guy when they hold back follow our class friend. Samson aside, God bless you. I also have people who knew me when I was very small, when I did grow. Bros Chuka, God bless you. All the 94 boys, when I clap and I said, now they know me when I small. They don't know, say this one book not go work. A big God for it. Since I graduate, I know they read signboard. Go help me read that. I need money. Now, ladies and wayo. Ladies and wayo. The one when I hate pass, man don't spend 2 million for you for club. Abba say now, your wife? Your wife? I don't do jokes with wife, please. Your wife? I hear you. Camera, remove camera before tell me truth. Go, what's wrong? Your wife? But you talk with confidence. This one, your wife? God bless you. Madam. And I say you don't marry. So what does it for club? Okay. See women, very smart guy. Go spend 2 million from show. They go after party, first empire. Enjoy. She know. Women, they always say they know. Now knock you one knock. Now when I want to buy you alcohol 2 million. What I want you to do? I want you to do money. I'm not be kind of you now knock at the fine. Now they're gonna do like say, if you ask for knock, does they shock? Why did they shock? Don't go to ask you next question. See your last cut all the way from what? When I clap for them. God will bless you. Now, now what they will pay me? They will allow una to naked before they start their spirits. Now we don't go naked. Now, casino stop. What are you trying to do? I want thief ballot boss. What thief ballot boss? The one when I hate pass. Say stop. Casino, don't do this. I have so much respect for you. Hey, disrespect me, oh! I don't get that, so useless me. I don't want your respect. Man, brings down in call respect. I don't want respect at that point. I want come. An erected penis has no conscience. Because you know why? Water, when they say they quench fire, they know they select whether it's clean or dirty. Fire must go down. Woman, don't strand you before. Woman, don't strand you before. May that not be our portion in Jesus' name. I don't know when one man they convince small girl. Say, baby, listen, this is 2 a.m. I'm no longer young. This thing can give me an idea. You can't tell me now. You can't tell me now. No! I'm like a father to you. Put me in your father's shoe. And let me do this thing. I don't stay long. In another 1 second, I'm done. I know my friends. I don't stay here till. Now the guy say, if I do it, my hair will scatter. See, PDP national shaman. I will plait your hair. Honorable, when you learn a dress and walk. Yes, we can. Oh, mate, total. Yes, we can do. I thought they were one man. They tell the guy, say, okay, do you know what? I agree. Don't want sex. Let me put it. I will not move my waist. Hey, wait! Prick, no get shot out. Oh, God, draw that. Man, they try you. When I know say man can do anything for sex, and when one man they beg this girl, say don't do me this. Oh, for my manhood. It's a terrorist family. Don't knock the blockers. Name more for manhood. My brother, now the girl they tell and say, stop. I will get pregnant. And he must say, oh, thank God, I'm impotent. I have diabetes. I say, yeah. Women wicked though. You get one other one way that they do when I don't like. MC Casino, nah. I'm just like a brother to you. You are just like a brother to me. That's like saying, Mama no bonge. How at that age, my brother will carry you go club, use champion 2 million, wash out. That's why your brother are useless. They want use excuse kill us. Now, ladies and gentlemen, before I proceed, when we support the people, Emmy come. I know they like for the performance, the money. They remind me say it is hard. Because after day and night, they distract me. Because I say, baby, food, I sweat. Pick up. Be smart while picking success. You have to be smart. My brother, life hard though. When one of my guys go use gun borrow money, where be police? Go pamper, they say collateral. I say, oh, AK-47, hold on. The way we take the suffer, what is here? If one other man, if we come, we chop the apple. They don't cause of Arishos when we read them for Google. May God get mercy on us. Suffer they I go lion, I go see lion. You don't say the lion they chop into me and egg. Now I come tell the guy, say, this is wrong. It's against the territorial integrity of lion. I say, now wait till you want lion talk. See, I don't die you. Wait till pay me the lion can't leave. You know that thing when they do lion here? Where they make people fear lion, eh? Come fall. They come put white before. If I dey try one and they clap Asaba. Meanwhile, when you start giving birth to children, as a young father that is doing well, don't be carried away. There are some things we spend money on unnecessary that are not necessary. E.g., baby cots. Children not the sleep inside. Yes. And my wife forced me. Big loading, you don't sleep. They're not asleep, they want to sleep with us. Wicked children. And not some children, wicked though. My son, I'm not going to give anything in return. God forbid. After they hold on, they chop my money. That time when you know the woman born, after like 3-4 months, every year, dog, no, don't sleep. Tell my wife, say they have slept. What did they pay me? My son will let me naked my innocent wife. Why not start crying before she went nude? I all naked and finished. How 7 months the king will stand? Instead they will cry. After I all naked my wife, we all like. If I would offer say, I will never have a younger brother. One day now let us on. If your elder sister was like this, you will not be alive. If I have done my parents this thing, it's not go better. Children. And they have the tendency to do over something. Yeah. Now my wife, I forced my wife to sleep for the baby cot. Rubbish. Another thing we would spend money for, we will not need. 1 year birthday. I was to spend 6 million, right? Yeah. Almost 2 life stories. 6 million. Time reach to snap picture. My son is asleep. Ungrateful child. Only when I make with sleepless nights. Yeah. When did the people say, leave my daughter? It will not be tired in life. When I make money, I know what I went through. Another thing, what we tell the spoiled children, all this habit of, I create one of my uncle now. The way they cry, what happened? Say daddy raised his voice at me. The daddy raised gun, say no. I've told my daddy when we have an argument, he should maintain a particular pitch. DJ. Me, Maba. Oh, let Mr. P.O. Sarenko. Federal government appeals. Level 10, step 14. Now let my papa go beat you. If you won't cry, they go beat you, make you swallow your tears. I tell you, swallow. Most of all these people will get big belly, not be food though, not tears where they swallow when they small. Oh yeah. The one I hate, I would do some standards. That's more people to sleep in the pamper. What the fuck? Junior, early to bed, early to rise. They negotiate with your son that is 4 years. Insult. Say, daddy, I won't finish the season of Telemodo. You get season. They'll come better. I go sleep. Because they make me feel like say my mama na winch. You get the way my mama beat me rich. I can't pray say one day my real mama go come. Wow, and I say I won't sign my heart. Let the show start. The way my papa they put us to sleep, you're teaching a robber they rob. At my back on, what? Where am I here? Everybody lie down. Close your eyes. Face the ground. Don't move. Don't shake. If I hear pain, you will hear me. At that point, we're not asleep with a lying state. After my